Want your business email to be Gmail? Get Google Workspace from Hostinger. It's more than just a domain-based email address. Look, all productivity tools you know and love are included, so you can do your job right away. Simply connect Google Workspace with your custom email address and start chatting, voice calling, video calling without leaving a window. You can work from everywhere, on any device, even offline. Cool, right? With notes and shared files at the fingertips, it's easy to keep on track with whatever you do now. Spend less time planning and more time doing. With smart, shareable calendars, you always know what's next. You can join this meeting from Gmail or a document that you work with.
Google Workspace provides our teams at Hostinger with everything that they need to perform at their best. Working from home has never been more productive.
Just imagine, you will use the same tools as millions of employees now working remotely. Switch to Google Workspace with Hostinger now and get a free .com domain for 1 year.